Welcome back, students. Now, into the last module, we are discussing some MCQs based on carbohydrates. So let's start with these. Now, the very first question states, cellobiose exhibits dash bond. The options are 1,2 alpha glycosidic bond, 1,2 beta glycosidic bond, 1,4 alpha glycosidic bond, or 1,4 beta glycosidic bond. Which is the correct option? Let's see the solution for this. Now, we have already learnt into our modules that whenever cellobiose was prepared, it was prepared by C1 and C4 linkages between two beta-D-glucopyranose. So your correct option over here is option D. Let's move further. The next question, it states sucrose molecule consists of what? Let's see the solution for this. We already discussed that sucrose, in this molecule, what we are using? We are using alpha-D-glucopyranose and beta-D-fructofuranose. And because of this, our correct option over here would be option D. Let's move further towards the third question, which states cyclic configuration of glucose is called as glucopyranose because its cyclic chain consists of dash carbons and dash oxygen. So let's first of all find the glucopyranose ring. Does it look something like this? Yes. In this, let's see how many carbons are there into the chain. Now, this is my first carbon atom. We have the second carbon atom. We have the third. We have the fourth. And we have the fifth carbon atom inside the ring. Also, we have one oxygen which is present inside the ring. So there are 5 carbons and 1 oxygen. And because of this, our correct option over here is option C. Let's move further towards the next question, which states in maltose, glycosidic linkages is present between 2 glucose units. At what positions? So first, let's try to recollect the structure of maltose. Was it looking something like this? Yes. Now, in this entire structure, we could see that there is a linkage between the first and the fourth carbon atoms, wherein both the molecules were alpha-D-glucopyranose. So students, what would be our correct option? Yes, it would be option D, that is 1,4 positions of 2 glucose units. Let's start with the next one. Glucose has dash primary hydroxy and dash secondary hydroxy group. All of you remember the structure of glucose. Was it something like this? Yes. Now, let's try to check out how many hydroxy groups do we have which are secondary. So first of all, we would count secondary. There are 4 in numbers. So are there 4 secondary hydroxy groups? Yes. And now, what about primary? It is 1. So what is our correct option? Our correct option would be C, that is 1,4. This was all about this module or about all the MCQs which can come with respect to carbohydrates. Meet you in the next module. Till then, thank you, students.